Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are talking about PLTR stock because Palantir has teamed up with Amazon, and on top of that, ARK Invest's Cathie Wood just bought millions more PLTR stocks. Next, we will talk about SNDL stock because Sundial Growers earnings are coming out soon, and they could be performing a merger or acquisition. And lastly, we will talk about EYES stock because Second Sight just got a huge FDA approval, which sent their stock to the moon, which could also happen to Senseonics SENS stock in the future. Like this video right now for PLTR stock, SNDL stock, or EYES stock, and let's make you some free money with Webull. Webull is a free brokerage app where you can buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies, but right now you can get 2 free stocks with Webull. You can get the first free stock, which can be worth anywhere from $2 to $250 for just creating an account, and you can get a second free stock, which can be worth up to $1,600 if you invest $100 or more on your first deposit. You will have a 1 in 100 chance of getting stocks like Facebook, Starbucks, or Snapchat, and you have a 1 in 50 chance of getting stocks like Google or Procter & Gamble. To get this offer, just press on the link in my description box down below, but do it quickly because this offer will not last forever. And without further ado, let's get into today's stories. Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, recently announced its new Enterprise Resource Planning System, also known as its ERP, which is integrated with Amazon's cloud platform named Amazon Web Services, or AWS. Palantir's ERP system is completely complementary to Amazon's AWS cloud for data integration and data analysis, which is huge news for PLTR stock because Palantir is being used by big name companies and organizations like IBM and Amazon. Palantir has been working with Amazon's AWS system throughout the last year because Palantir has multiple projects that they are working on regarding Amazon, and this ERP suite is just the beginning. And it sounds like this is already a huge success. Just listen to this quote. Within 2 weeks of installing the ERP suite, BP was able to unlock approximately $50 million in working capital and has the potential to unlock further savings if applied across their worldwide supply chain. End quote. And it's great because now this ERP suite is available on all Amazon Web Services and to all Amazon Web Service customers, which can deploy it in their businesses to save them more money. Just listen to this quote. Amazon says, "We are excited to be working with Palantir to make this suite of tools available on AWS and to help our customers get to insights faster, unlocking the data they already have." This is insanely good news for Palantir and PLTR stock, but it will not instantly affect the PLTR stock price, and ARK's Cathie Wood has taken advantage of this because ARK added over 2.65 million more PLTR shares to their portfolio, meaning that their ARK Innovation ETF, ARKK, has over 9.8 million PLTR stocks, and the ARK Next Generation Internet ETF, ARKW, has over 5.5 million PLTR stocks in it, and they will just keep adding these. PLTR stock could be one of ARK's top 10 holdings in this ETF relatively soon at this pace. CNBC's Fast Money also has a hunch that Palantir stock will become Wall Street Bet's next target, but to me, even without that hype, PLTR stock is at a crazy low price right now, which is a great buy, because it has dropped 47%. I will personally be buying more PLTR stock because the price is so low, and my personal price target for PLTR stock is $50 to $55, so to me, PLTR stock could easily 2x. Next up, we have SNDL stock, and Sundial Growers, which is a lettuce play stock, is up over 174% from January. It has a market cap of around $2 billion, and it has outperformed many Mary J ETFs, which are up, give or take, around 60% during the same time period. To be honest, ETFs are the way to go with these types of stocks because once legalized, the whole market will increase. But if you are looking for a high-risk, high-reward play, then Tilray, ticker symbol TLRY, is a good one to look into. But I do have some SNDL stock, mainly just for trading. Now, Sundial Growers has not released financial results yet, but they are expected to release their fourth quarter financial results on March 17th, so we may see a spike or decline then depending on those results. I do want to emphasize that this is a very tricky stock to play. SNDL stock has surged off of hype in recent months because investors are anticipating a merger or acquisition to take place. Sundial Growers also has great amounts of cash on hand because after 2 stock offerings, SNDL has raised $600 million, which is enough to comfortably buy other grass companies, especially companies who have edibles and vape products. So feel free to keep Sundial Growers stock on one of your watch lists, and let's all see what happens for their results on March 17th. Next up, we have EYES stock, and the company's name is Second Sight. And the reason this stock is in the news today is because EYES stock has surged over 300% from its recent FDA approval for its Argus 2's retinal prosthesis system. Second Sight has hardware in the form of a pair of glasses and camera that can help provide vision to people who suffer from retinitis pigmentosa, also known as RP. This new version that was recently FDA approved has caused EYES stock to absolutely skyrocket because it's just plain better than the previous version, both ergonomically, and it has improved the allocation of its processing power, which should boost performance. The acting CEO of Second Sight made a statement that says this, and I quote, "We are very pleased to have received this approval, as it presents an opportunity to offer external hardware that we believe enhance comfort and aesthetics compared with the legacy Argus 2 system." However, the really astonishing thing to me was the amount of pure trading volume that EYES stock received. Normally, EYES stock has an average of about 2 million shares that are traded daily, but once FDA approval came, there was 297 million shares that were traded, and as of the time of this recording, over 700 million EYES shares are being traded. But what do you all think of PLTR stock, SNDL stock, and EYES stock? Remember to like the video, subscribe if you are new, and I will see all of you in the next YT video.